Hey, what's up and welcome back to Easy Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to import images as planes in Blender. It's a simple trick that can help you add referenced images, textures, or even create 2D elements in your 3D scene with ease. Before we dive in, if you are into tips and tricks for creative tools like Blender, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and you will never miss a new video. Alright, let's get into it. Luckily for us, this feature is now native in Blender. Before that, we used to use some plugins. So just delete this cube, select it, hit delete on your keyboard. And all you need to do is press Shift and A and go to Image and click this Mesh Plane. And now you can go to your folder where is your image and select for this, for example, this one, and click import images as planes. Right now you don't see anything, but you need to change this viewport shading. If you click it, you will see your image. And if I zoom in, you can see it here. Also notice that if you are using the PNG images, it will be transparent, of course. And if you don't want a transparency, just use your JPEG or JPG images. And this is it. If you find this tutorial helpful, let me know in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.